Hey guys, I'm Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm here with just another button company, mother and daughter team, Cecile and Rachel, and they're going to tell you all about their sprinkle button packs.
Hi everyone, we're happy to be here at Fat Quarter Shop to talk about our buttons. The sprinkle packs are right here. They come in two different colorways. We have the fresh colors and the organic colors. Do you like brights? Do you like tones that are a little bit more brown? And these are really fun little packs that have 35 little buttons in them in a variety of shapes, hearts and squares and triangles and stars. And Rachel dyes them all kinds of beautiful colors.
Yes, they're all hand dyed, and inside each package there are 2 shades of a similar color, so you'll always be able to find the perfect shade for your project.
And we've got all 35. We sell them individually and we sell them in the box, either by the fresh or the organic.